Hello everyone. So first off, excuse the background noise. You may hear a TV. That's my son watching, of course, cartoons. And if you hear the humming, that may be coming from the fridge. I'm in the kitchen. There's no other quiet place to record, so do bear with me and the background noise if you do hear it. I wanted to come here kind of quickly and make this video because I got an order that I had placed from Herbalife, so it made me or it motivated me to make this video. I want to kind of I'm on, as you guys know, I'm doing the 21-day cleanse. I am about day 13 today. Today is Saturday, January 20th. So I am about 13 days into this cleanse. I wanted to show you the products that I'm using, and I also wanted to show you what I got in the mail. And I wanted to go, a little into that. So, for the cleanse, it's like a 4-product situation. So there is, excuse the glare, but there is this probiotic, Simply Probiotic powder, and it, like, if you open it, it has this little measuring scoop that you use, and I don't know if you guys can see, but I am using it. I mean, I'm all the way down there. I'm almost done because, again, we only have about 8 more days of the cleanse. There is AM, and then there's PM tablets that you take every day. And then there's also this aloe vera concentrate. You mix this with water, and you drink it with the probiotic, because this has no taste. So it doesn't, you could do it in your shakes, you could do it in your teas, you can do it whatever. This is with the flavor of mango. I don't know if you guys can see that. But this is flavored mango, and it tastes really good. So those 4 products are the ones that are within the 21-day cleanse. Now, going into that, I am, like I said, about day 13 onto this cleanse, and I can say, of course, I use the bathroom more often. I don't feel as bloated. Of course, I still have a big belly, but I don't feel as bloated. I feel more energized. I don't know if that has anything to do with the cleanse. Hopefully it does, as far as me feeling energized. But I don't feel as bloated. I don't feel gassy. I don't feel any of those other symptoms. And like I said, I go to the bathroom about once or twice a day. Whereas before I was maybe going once every 2-3 days. I know TMI, but you guys have to know, because of course this is a cleanse. So that's for the actual detox, okay? Now, very interesting, and I wanted to go and show you guys this. So my Herbalife coach, she's all the way in Florida. Your Herbalife coach does not have to be in the same state that you are in. My Herbalife coach happens to be my cousin. Just because she's my cousin does not mean I get things for free. I still purchase my things because essentially they don't come from her. They come from the company itself. What I get from her, because she is my coach, is a 20% discount on the items. Of course, it comes with the membership. So I paid for the yearly membership, which is about $38 or something like that with tax, and that's yearly. So that gives me my coach, which is my cousin. It gives me 20% discount on anything that you purchase off of the website. And then the more you purchase, the more percentage you get off, because everything you purchase, or mostly everything you purchase, gives you points, which adds up to the next level of discount. But the reason I wanted to explain this to you is because before I got into the membership, I would purchase, Lord, I can't talk today. I would purchase my things off of eBay. Which there's nothing wrong with that. And I was doing it for a really long time, but I noticed the difference when I got the shake in the mail today. And I'm going to show you the difference. So this is the one that I was getting off of eBay. This bottle cost me $40. Okay? It's cookies and cream. I mean, it's Formula 1. There's nothing to it. As you can see, I've been using it as well. So I'm almost done with that, and that's the reason that I was purchasing the other one. So when I got the other one, this is it right here. Again, Formula 1, cookies and cream. I haven't tasted any others. So I'm sticking with this one for now. But here's the difference. This is the one I just got in the mail. This is the one that I purchased. This one here was $40. This one with FedEx shipping, tracking, everything was still under $40. This is only 550 grams. This is 750. So there is pros and cons to purchasing off of eBay. So pros, you don't have to have a membership to buy these. You don't need anything to buy these. But sometimes you get less quantity for more. So why not invest into a membership and get more for your buck? So I wanted to show you. This is the difference. As you can see, it's significant, you know? And they're the same exact product. So I wanted to show you, I did purchase this. I folded it so my address wouldn't show. But as you can see, that's my name there, of course. And then here at the bottom, I wanted to show you guys. It retails for $39.90. Hopefully this is focusing because I can't tell. I paid, there's, of course, for my 20% discount, it's $9.50. And then it, you know, the actual selling price is $30 and some change. So I paid about $5 shipping. And still, with all of that, it was only $35.40. I just wanted you guys to know, for this big container, it was $35.40. For this little container, it was $40 plus shipping, of course. So what I'm doing currently is I'm taking this shake with protein mix, because of course when you limit yourself to what you're eating, you can or you do consume less protein, and protein is really important. So you add protein mix. This is vanilla, and it goes hand in hand with the cookies and cream. I mean, it tastes more vanilla-ish, of course, but it doesn't harm the taste of the shake at all. And then I typically use it with a blender. So the blender that I have and that I use is this Oster blender. It has, I have water in here, but it has the bottle that already has the drinkable part. You attach it, and then it has this to where you can blend it. Sorry, I'm looking at the screen there. But then when you attach this to the bottle part, all you have to do is invert it, and then it'll start to blend. And it's actually really good. I've had this blender for a really long time now, and that's the one that I've always used even before. Of course, you guys know that Mondays I am doing my weekly weigh-ins, and this is going to continue on even after I'm done with the cleanse. Mondays is weekly weigh-ins. So stay tuned for that. I just wanted to come here really quickly because I saw the difference in between these two bottles, and I was like, wait, you know, maybe people are not realizing it. I mean, and again, it's significant. This is only, what did I say, 550 grams. This is 750. So again, you know, if you guys are interested, let me know. Like I said, your coach does not have to be in your same state. My coach is all the way in Florida. But I do get the benefits of having her as a coach, or anyone for that matter. So yeah, if you guys are interested, let me know. Also, I will continue doing the 52-week challenge weekly on Fridays. So stay tuned for that as well. And you guys will get videos here and there, you know, depending on what it is that I'm doing, until I get comfortable with, of course, being behind the camera again and all that good stuff. But yeah, just a quick video, let you guys know, you know, the process, what I'm currently using, and, you know, what I'll be doing for the weight loss journey so far. If you guys have any questions, please leave them down in the comments section. I will get back to you guys. Any suggestion, anything that you guys may are interested that will, you know, allow me to make a video, then please feel free to let me know. Also, thumbs up this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.